Hi, my name is Lena and I am an English coach. And in today's lesson, we're going to focus on pronunciation. En la lección de hoy vamos a practicar pronunciación. Please watch this movie scene and pay attention to these words. How do you listen to these words? Presten atención a estas palabras y escuchen cómo lo pronuncian.
Why you look like that? You look like some kind of vampire from outer space or something. They kick you out of cancer camp? You got some kind of disease? Don't look at me, man. Did you hear what I said? I don't like your eyes. What's a new guy got to do first day he gets here? Just got to do the do. New guy, first day, first meal. He's got to wear his spoon. You ever wear your spoon? Well, you got two choices. You can either wear it on the end of your nose. She show, Mitch. Now you can wear it like that, or you can wear it the other way, which is up your ass. You choose. What are you doing?
All right, let's begin. Las palabras kind of se reducen a kinda. En el videoclip se escucha como él dice, you look like some kinda vampire. You look like some kinda vampire. Kinda vampire. No, you look like some kind of vampire. Pareces lucir como un vampiro. You look like some kinda. You look like some kind of vampire. All right? Okay. Luego dice, ¿tienes algún tipo de enfermedad? You got some kinda disease. Kinda disease. You got some kinda disease. You got some kinda disease. All right? All right, let's move on. Continuemos. La siguiente reducción es de did you. Se reduce en did you. Did you? Did you? Did you hear what I just said? Did you? Did you hear? Did you hear? Did you hear what I just said? ¿Escuchaste lo que te acabo de decir? Did you? Did you hear what I just said? Did you hear what I just said? All right? Remember, did you? Y la última reducción de sonido. ¿Qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? Se reduce a what are you? What are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you? Con R. What are you? Pero es bien rápido. What are you? What are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? ¿Qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? What are you doing? All right? Estas reducciones nos permiten sonar más natural y fluidos. These reductions in sound let us speak more fluently and naturally. Now practice.